Is Dingle worth visiting? Have you ever wondered if Dingle is a must-see on your Irish adventure? Well, let's take a closer look at what this charming town has to offer. Nestled on the Dingle Peninsula along Ireland's southwest coast, Dingle is a vibrant town that captures the essence of Irish culture. The colorful streets are filled with artistic flair, and the Irish language can still be heard in everyday conversations. One of the highlights of Dingle is its lively pub scene. In the evenings, traditional Irish music fills the air, creating a warm and welcoming atmosphere. Imagine enjoying a pint of local brew while listening to talented musicians play classic tunes. It's an experience that truly immerses you in the local culture. The town's picturesque shoreline is bustling with fishermen bringing in fresh catches daily. This adds to the authentic coastal vibe that Dingle is known for. If you enjoy seafood, you will find plenty of restaurants serving delicious dishes made from the freshest ingredients. A short drive from Dingle is the famous Slea Head Loop, a scenic route that spans 26 miles. This drive offers stunning views of the Atlantic Ocean and rugged cliffs. Along the way, you can visit historical sites like ancient beehive huts and Dunbeg Fort. The Gallarus Oratory, a stone church over 1,300 years old, is also a must-see. For those who love outdoor activities, Dingle has plenty to offer. Inch Beach is perfect for walking or surfing, while boat tours allow you to see fungi, the beloved local dolphin. If you are interested in local crafts, there are weaving shops and distilleries where you can taste whiskey and gin. History enthusiasts will appreciate sites like Menard Castle and Rahinain Castle, which provide a glimpse into Ireland's past. Hiking, sea kayaking, and horseback riding are also popular activities around the peninsula. Dingle combines natural beauty with cultural richness, making it a rewarding destination for anyone traveling along Ireland's wild Atlantic Way. Whether you are looking for scenic drives, traditional music, or coastal adventures, Dingle has something for everyone. So, is Dingle worth visiting? The answer is a resounding yes.